Okay, hello everyone. This is Casey from WebBuddy. In this video, I'm going to share with you how you can find out how many websites are hosting on your same shared hosting server. The reason why you want to find out this is because sometimes you may wondering that your website can load pretty fast and sometimes it loads very slowly. Part of the reasons is because your web hosting provider is squeezing a lot of website on the same server. And this is quite common for people who are using shared hosting plan. So let me share with you one example so that you can use it for your own website. So this is a website that we are going to test out. So the URL is thetrueimage.com. So this is just a random website that I get from online. And you are going to use this tool called DNS Letics. So I will put down the URL in the description below so that you can just click and go to this URL. So once you are on this website, you just need to paste in your URL, your website URL, and click search. So after it has searched, it will present you with some of the selection and make sure that you click on this selection that is reverse IP. So this means that once you click on this link, it will show you what are the other websites that are coming from this IP address, which means from the same server. So I click on it and now it says 334. This means that just now this website has 300 other websites hosting on the same server, and it shows you what are some of the website URL is listed here. Because it's a free account, so they only give you 50 records. Okay, so you need to have the premium plan, and they will show you more websites. And they also tell you that the hosting plan is on GoDaddy.com. So this is using GoDaddy shared hosting, and they tend to squeeze a lot of website on the same shared hosting server. So if your website is loading slowly, you may find this tool and check it out to see whether your server is hosting a lot of other website. And one solution is to move your website to cloud hosting. So the cloud hosting server service provider that I use is Cloudways. You can check out my other Cloudways playlist tutorial to find out more. So I hope that today's video you'll find it useful. If you have other questions, feel free to post in the comments area below. Thank you.